Good afternoon. Standard 8 Subject English Lesson 1.4 Miss Slippery Part 2nd. Miss Slippery Part 2nd. In this part, we complete the lesson last period. And now there is a question in language study. In this question, I read at first and tell about it. Listen carefully. Some verbs in English do not change in a regular pattern when their tense changes, and these verbs are called irregular verbs. So fill in the forms of the verbs in the following table. Two are done for you. In your notebook, you draw the table. 3 columns. First, present tense. Second, past tense. And third, past participle. And there are only 12 verbs here. You add in this list, you know that another verbs which are called irregular verbs like this. So in present tense there is main verb, and in past tense we change second form of the verb, and in past participle there is the third form of the verb. We call it PP, means past participle. First, break, broke, broken. Break, broke, broken. So another is there, do, did, done. Do, did, done. So in this way, you know that about it, and find out the verb forms from the dictionary or other lessons. And if you have any difficulty about it, you ask your elders or your elder brother, sister, and they give the more details about it. So I will read it. You listen carefully and write the correct answers. Third verb is go, went, gone. Fourth, come, came, come. 5, sing, sang, sung. 6, buy, brought, buy, bought, bought. 7, drive, drove, driven. Fall, fell, fallen. 9, know, knew, known. 10, run, run. 11, see, saw, seen. 12, take, took, taken. So like this, add some other verbs in this list and write in your notebook, practice it and read by heart again and again. Try complete the table on page number 23 of the textbook. So we stop here. You complete it.